Hello everyone, welcome back to LWLA Learning While Listening Anytime. Today we are going to talk about daily life and practice easy English conversation together. Grab a cup of tea or coffee, relax, and let's listen to our daily chat. Hi everyone, welcome to the podcast. I am so happy to talk to you today. Hi Tom, how are you?
Hi, Sarah. I am doing great, thank you. I have my warm coffee right here, so I am ready.
I am doing very well. I have my warm tea too. It is a beautiful day to talk about our daily life.
I agree. Daily routines are very interesting. Sarah, tell me, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up quite early. I get out of bed at 6 a.m. every day.
Wow, 6 a.m.? Really? That is very early for me.
Yes, it is early, but I like the morning. It is very quiet. What about you, Tom? What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7:30 a.m., but I don't get up quickly. I stay in bed for 10 minutes and check my mobile phone.
Me too. I know it is a bad habit, but I always look at my messages and the weather on my phone first thing in the morning.
Exactly, everyone does it. After that, I go to the kitchen to make a big cup of coffee. I cannot start my day without coffee. Do you drink coffee in the morning?
No, I prefer green tea or hot water with lemon. It makes me feel very fresh. And then I cook breakfast.
That's nice. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat oatmeal with some fruit like bananas or apples. It is simple and healthy. What do you have?
Oh, I love eggs and toast. Sometimes I add some cheese too. It is a warm and delicious breakfast. After breakfast, I have to get ready for work.
Do you walk to work or take a bus?
I take the bus because my office is a bit far. The bus ride is about 30 minutes. I usually listen to music or watch short videos on my phone during the ride. It helps pass the time.
I understand. Traveling to work can be boring, so videos and music are great. For me, I am lucky because I work from home. I just walk to my small desk in the living room and open my computer at 8:30 a.m.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. You don't have to sit on a crowded bus. What do you do at work all day?
I write articles and answer emails. It is a lot of typing. I sit at my desk for a long time, so my back sometimes hurts. Around noon, I always take a break to stretch my body and walk around.
That is a very good idea. Sitting all day is difficult. At my office, I work on a computer too, but I have to talk to customers on the phone. It can be quite busy and noisy.
I can imagine. You must be very tired by lunchtime. What time do you have lunch?
We eat lunch at 1 p.m. I usually bring food from home in a small box, like rice and chicken. Sometimes I sit with my friends outside the office to eat and chat.
That's nice. Eating with friends makes the day happier. I eat lunch alone at home, usually a quick salad or a sandwich. But I like to watch a funny video on YouTube while I eat. It makes me laugh.
Me too. I love watching funny videos during my break. It relaxes my mind. When do you finish working for the day?
I closed my computer at 5 p.m. I am always happy when the workday is over. What about you?
I finish at 5 p.m. too. Then I take the bus back home. When I arrive home, the first thing I do is change into comfortable clothes like sweatpants and a simple t shirt.
Oh, yes. Changing into cozy clothes is the best part of the evening. After that, what do you do in your free time before dinner?
Well, on some days I go for a short walk in the park near my house. I like to see the trees and get some fresh air. On other days, I just sit on the sofa and play games on my phone. What do you do to relax?
I love gardening. I have some small plants on my balcony. I look at them, water them, and clean the leaves. It is very peaceful and makes me feel calm.
Sounds good. I don't have any plans, but I like to cook dinner. Cooking helps me forget about work. Tonight, I want to cook pasta with tomato sauce.
Yum! Pasta is delicious and very easy to make. I am going to have vegetable soup and some bread for dinner tonight. I like to eat a light meal in the evening.
That is very healthy. After dinner, I usually watch a movie or a television show. I like comedy shows because they are fun.
I prefer reading a book at night. I sit in bed with a small lamp and read a few pages. It helps me feel sleepy. I usually turn off my phone at 9:30 p.m. so I can relax completely.
Wow, turning off your phone at 9:30 p.m. is amazing. I need to try that. I usually stay up late scrolling through social media and then I feel tired the next day.
It is hard to put the phone away, I know, but a good sleep is very important. I usually fall asleep at 10:30 p.m.
I go to sleep around 11:30 p.m. Do you have any big plans for tomorrow, Sarah?
Tomorrow is a normal day, but I am meeting my sister in the evening. We are going to have juice together and talk. I am very excited about it. What about your plans for tomorrow?
No big plans for me, just work, grocery shopping after work, and a quiet night at home. It is a simple daily life, but it is comfortable.
Exactly. Simple days are often the best days. Well, it was wonderful talking about our daily routines today, Tom.
Yes, it was great. Thank you, Sarah, and thank you to all our listeners. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of LWLI, Learning While Listening Anytime. We hope this simple conversation helps you practice your English. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more easy English listening videos. Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up every day? Have a beautiful and relaxing day and see you next time. Bye bye.